Hello students, welcome to A to Z Pariksha. This class is for the students of medical science who are in MBBS, GNM nursing, BSc nursing, BPharm and so on, who have to study the anatomy and physiology for their course, and I will provide the handwritten notes of anatomy and physiology for them. So today's topic is the anatomical movement of the human body. So don't waste time and we start. At first we learn about the flexion. What is flexion? Flexion means it refers to a movement that decreases the angle between the two body parts. You can see that if the leg is get upper portion and the angle became decrease, and if the leg in normal standing position, then the angle became increased. Next, extension. Extension is opposite to the flexion. Next is abduction and adduction. What is abduction? If any body part, it is a movement away from midline. When it is away from midline, it is abduction, and when the movement is towards the midline, that is called adduction. It is so easy. If the movement is away from the body, away from the human body, then midline, that is the midline, this portion is the midline, away, that's called abduction, towards called adduction. Next topics, medial rotation and lateral rotation. What is medial? This is the midline, and if rotation occurs towards the midline, that's called medial, and away from the midline, that's called lateral. If any movement occurs, if this is the midline, if any movement occurs towards the midline, that is called medial, and away from the midline, that is called lateral. Let's look at the next topic, inversion and eversion. What is inversion? Inversion and eversion are movements which occur at the ankle joint, referring to the rotation of the foot around, around its long axis. What is inversion? It involves the movement of the sole towards the median plane. You can see that is the median plane and that is the lateral. When movement is towards the medial plane, that is called inversion, and when the movement is towards the lateral plane, that is called eversion. Next, supination and pronation. If anyone put his hand in still position and his palm is facing the upper portion, that is called supination, and if his palm is at the lower portion, that is called the pronation. Palm down, pronation, and palm up, that is the supination. Okay. Next, plantar flexion. What is plantar flexion? It refers to the movement of the foot when it is bent at the ankle away from the body. Let's look at the picture. Through this image you can understand easily. Plantar flexion means away from the body. You can see this, and dorsiflexion means towards the body. You can understand well through this image. What is circumduction? It is the movement of the body region in a circular manner, in which one end of the body region being moved stays relative stationary while the other end describes a circle. This is the shoulder and this is the hand. If the hand moves this direction, this direction. That's all movements are called in one word circumdection. That is usually a circular movement. I think through these notes and image you will understand this very well, and this will help in your examination. So next topic I will show you in the next class. If you like the video, please press the like button and share it, and do subscribe this channel for more updates. Thank you.